2022 Pathfinder, which is all new from the ground up. The all-new Pathfinder is just right for a generation of outdoor enthusiasts who are ready for adventure, who seek power, comfort, connectivity, and safety. Let me show you how, starting with the pairing of the standard 284 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6, and an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission. You'll feel a dramatic improvement the very moment you first hit the gas pedal. This new dynamic combination provides smooth and direct access to power whenever you need it. It just feels confident and strong. Pathfinder's intelligent four-wheel drive system has a new 7-position drive and terrain mode selector, including snow, sand, and mud settings, helping you tackle adventures with even more confidence. The drive and terrain mode selector also features a tow mode when you want to take advantage of Pathfinder's best-in-class 6,000-pound towing capacity. And our Pathfinder customers do tow a lot. To help them, trailer sway control is standard on every single Pathfinder. That'll give you more confidence when towing boats, ATVs, campers, or trailers. And a completely new electric power steering system provides confident handling with that sporty Nissan feel that our customers love. Of course, wherever your adventures lead, you want to stay connected. When we spoke to Pathfinder owners, we looked at what they were expecting when it comes to connectivity, driver assistance, and safety technologies. We're delivering them our best, including Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink, which takes some of the stress out of driving, especially in heavy traffic or on long road trips. A large, fully customizable digital dashboard, as well as a new head-up display to help keep the driver's eyes on the road. And for both drivers and passengers, a large 9-inch center touchscreen display, giving access to the standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available wireless Apple CarPlay and Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as a Bose premium audio system with 13 speakers. And wherever you go, in town or on a long, far-flung adventure, you want to find your way safely home. We've made Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes the most sought-after safety features, standard across the lineup. Plus, the all-new Pathfinder offers standard, class-exclusive, intelligent forward collision warning that can sense one car ahead of the vehicle in front of you. This brief introduction just scratches the surface of this thrilling-to-drive, rugged, all-new 2022 Pathfinder, which goes on sale this summer.
If you remember, the original Pathfinders is famous for the blister fenders. I think it gives it a unique look. And here we have the blister fenders, but done in a new way, using this U-shaped highlight.
So as we were falling in love with this new sense of muscle and ruggedness, we were never forgetting actually that the Pathfinder has become a member of everyone's family because of its functionality. And we've built on that. So even the third row, which has become much more roomy, with 3 adults being able to sit in the back, and also this sense of the ample cabin, that even though this car is about adventure and ruggedness, that it still needs to deliver this new level of premium and comfortable interior. Also allowing technology to shape the interior. And all the digital zone is at one level, close to the horizon line, so that our customers, while they're driving, they're not dropping their eyes and searching for the information that they need to get. Well, thank you for letting me taking you a quick walk around the